Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Rennick here to take you through today's market action. It was a busy one. It was a choppy one, but it did end higher with stocks in the green. The Russell 2000 small caps paved the way with more than 1% rally. The S&P and Nasdaq each gained about 0.5%, much better than the lows of the session. The Dow closed 0.4% higher. Despite the U.S. announcing 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico just before the closing bell, stocks did get hit when that headline came out, but they recovered. Utilities were the best performers. Some of the AI-connected names in that group bounced back. Healthcare and real estate also rallied. But let's talk earnings. Apple in the aftermarket is little changed after a spike, then a bit of a drift lower, starting to sell off now. They did beat, but it was small, and iPhone revenue did miss. There was a negative print. Chinese sales also missed majorly. Apple having a pretty serious issue drawing in demand with its Apple Intelligence. Chinese sales fell by over $2 billion from a year ago. Overall revenues, though, did still hit a record $124.3 billion, and that did include a 14% increase in services revenue from a year ago. Apple CEO Tim Cook says the company is unlocking new possibilities with Apple Intelligence, which includes new languages launching in April. Intel saw post-market gains after an initial dip. Earnings did beat, but its first quarter revenue projections fell short of expectations. Intel's interim co-CEO said the company's cost reduction plan is having an impact and says its guidance reflects seasonal weakness magnified by macro uncertainties. Deckers sold off in the afternoon following an earnings beat as the shoe business reported revenues for its Hoka brand rose 23% and Uggs by 17%, but other brands fell the same amount and investors sold it off. The biggest loser in the S&P 500 for the day was UPS, which plunged to a 4-year low after reporting a beat on earnings but a miss on revenue. It also agreed to cut at least 50% of volumes with Amazon by the second half of 2026. Mag 7 giant is UPS's largest customer. The company said that the operational overhaul could save UPS $1 billion. Friday's calendar includes some important economic data. Personal income and outlays. Inflation will be the highlight, but there are some earnings too. ExxonMobil, Chevron, and Phillips 66 all report in the morning. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Oliver Rennick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.